Hey everyone, in this video, today I'll be talking about my wash day routine, how to get colored hair wax out of your hair specifically, and how I blow dry my hair. Yes, blow dry my hair with a blow drying comb. So, about a week ago, I decided to add a golden skunk stripe to the top of my hair using Oars Curls Unleashed Color Blast temporary hair wax in the color Bombshell. What I was unaware of is that how the wax gets embedded into our locks. Thank you for the digital loctician for doing a video on just what our hair with the hair wax looks in under the microscope. And then I learned just how cautious we have to be when getting the hair wax out. Now, I usually use Aveeno's apple cider vinegar blend shampoo, which clears and clarifies to wash out my hair. And because I typically don't use a lot of products, I'm usually good with one shampoo, condition, one shampoo and rinse, and one condition and rinse, and I'm good to go. But today I shampooed my hair 3 times, specifically in the area where the skunk stripe was. And my recommendation, this is what worked for me. I'm so sorry, I forgot to mention an important factor in my process. I also have the Sulfur 8 Deep Conditioning Shampoo. And what I did was I poured some of the Aveeno shampoo in with the Sulfur 8 shampoo and added some water to dilute it, because I do not recommend using full strength shampoo on locks, just from doing learning and research. Because we know shampoo also can cause buildup. But again, I mixed the two together and then diluted. But what I did was, for this area specifically where my skunk stripe was I washed 3 times. If I spent 30 seconds putting the shampoo in, and then I made sure I rinsed for a minute and a half, rinsing the shampoo out. Again, 30 seconds, rubbing that shampoo in. Yes, I'm counting 1, 2, 3. I'm counting in the shower. And then letting the water rinse down for a minute and a half. And I did that 3 times to assure that I was not only getting the wax out, but also that I was getting out the shampoo, because you don't want the buildup from the shampoo after you work so hard to get the wax out. And as you can see, there's no remnants of color at all. And my hair just feels so good from the shampoo and conditioning. And yes, I condition my hair. Again, Aveeno has the sister shampoo to the conditioner that I use, and I condition my hair with the apple cider vinegar Aveeno as well. I've been conditioning my hair since day one. I am a colored lock, and so I've always conditioned my hair. I just want to keep my hair healthy. I do understand that conditioning slows down the locking process, but it does my hair no good to be locked and breaking off because of the color that I already have. And it's just, yeah, it's just double-edged sword. So I've been conditioning from day one, and again, my locking process may be slowed down from the conditioner, but my hair is healthy, and that's what's most important. Now, coming up is the blow drying routine. Again, with the shampooing, I did my skunk stripe 3 separate times. The rest of my hair I only washed once. I don't use a lot of products in my hair at all. For the most part, I just kind of grease it, and that's it, which I also show in my drying routine. So, next stop is me using a blow dry comb to dry my locks. No, I don't get them crisp dry, and I only blow dry on a cool setting, a cool setting, not crisp dry like the hot setting would do. It's a tight, a tiny bit of dampness left behind, but that's what works for me. It's just the convenience. I don't want to wait all day for my locks to dry. So thank you for watching, and again, here comes my blow drying routine as well.